Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Tudoccy Garden Tools Set, an 83-piece kit designed specifically with women gardeners in mind. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this set promises to meet all your gardening needs with style and functionality. The Tudoccy Garden Tools Set is not your average gardening kit. It comes packed with 83 pieces, including essential tools like trowels, transplanters, hand rakes, cultivators, weeders, pruners, and even a spray bottle. What sets this set apart is its inclusion of a 9-piece succulent tools set, perfect for those delicate indoor plants and bonsais. The tools are crafted from Japanese carbon steel, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. Each tool is meticulously designed with ultra-fine polishing technology. The ergonomic handles are made from high-quality TPR rubber, providing a comfortable, non-slip grip. They feature contoured finger grips and a palm rest, reducing fatigue during extended use. The set includes additional accessories like 20 butterfly stakes, 40 plant tags, gloves with fingertip claws, plant self-watering spikes, and a convenient tote bag. The bag is made from durable, washable cotton and offers multiple pockets for easy organization. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This 83-piece set is an excellent choice for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just to show appreciation to a loved one who enjoys gardening. In conclusion, the Tudoccy Garden Tools Set 83-piece is a comprehensive solution for all your gardening tasks. With its sturdy construction, ergonomic design, and extensive accessory package, it stands out as the best garden set for women available in the market today. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique.